So our company Analogics creates the product SlimPort, and SlimPort allows you to transfer audio and visual data from your phone to any display. It works with any LG phone or Google-built phone that uses the Android operating system, and with no lag or latency, you can play games, you can play movies, you can basically operate your entire system and transfer that onto the TV.
Fantastic. So you say phones. Does it also work with tablets, sorry?
Yes, it works with tablets, it works with Google's Chromebook, and we're working on increasing the number of products that we can that we're compatible with.
So, what's the difference between this kind of a product and something like an Apple product like a Lightning connector or that sort of thing, or is it a very similar product?
It's a similar product. Apple has its own proprietary software, but even then, Apple's technology doesn't allow the user to operate the entire system. So let's say that I had a bunch of movies on my phone and I wanted to transfer that immediately to the TV. I would usually have to buy, with Apple I would probably have to buy Apple TV, or I'd have to use specialized apps. I know for specific Samsung phones it's something similar to that. But with this product you can, once again, use the entire operating system. So if you have PowerPoint presentations on your phone, you can transfer that to any tablet, any big screen display. You can play games, movies, once again, access the internet, shop.
Is the main hook, are you going for gamers predominantly, or are you going more for sort of like all-round audience?
I mean, I'd say that right now we're going for gamers because, I mean, this is probably the best I guess display of our product. Instead of being hooked to your 5-inch display, you can play virtually any game from the App Store and play on a 50-inch screen. Play on any TV or any monitor. But our product is available on Amazon. Any consumer can buy it and use it for any practical purpose that they see.
Okay, so one of the cool things that I've seen running on this, and currently is actually happening, is there are 2 players with 2 screens, 2 phones, 2 controllers.
Yep.
Doing some. Now, back in the day, I was doing this on Wipeout 2097 on the original PlayStation.
Yeah.
I, for one, am glad to hear that this kind of ridiculous use of technology is back. I mean, so multiplayer sessions, LAN sessions, that kind of thing. Do you think there's a sort of renewed future there of utilising this technology of yours?
Oh, of course. And I think it'd be a lot easier for a gamer to do so. Instead of having to bring an entire computer or desktop, one can just bring their phone, which can carry a variety of different games. And connect it to any monitor and have the full gamer experience for something that's not a PlayStation or Xbox. They can operate a very small device and very powerful device.
So the LAN party's back?
I'd say so.